A loved one is in the hospital and you're dealing with a medical situation that needs your full attention, but your child does too.
Sacred Heart Medical Center has just the thing to help. It's called the Clubhouse, but budget cuts put that in jeopardy. But KXLY4's Robyn and Nance met some of the unlikely heroes who stepped up to keep the doors open.
Where's that one going to go?
It's not just another day at the office for Barbara Schoonover.
Do you like circles? Is that your favorite shape?
Barbara works for Spokane County Title, but on this day, she's clocking in at Sacred Heart's Clubhouse.
My company has been generous enough to allow us to take time out of our regular business day to come here one morning a month and do this.
It's a nice break from the stress of her normal job, a different kind of paperwork. But it's not all fun and games.
Sometimes you stop and just think about, what's going on in these little children's lives that we don't really know about. And usually, a lot of times it's something very serious.
Gregory's family was thrown for a loop when he was diagnosed with cancer. Elizabeth and Raymond have a loved one at the hospital, and Sabrina's 5-year-old sister is recovering from surgery.
To have her just to sit beside her big sister in the hospital bed, she gets a little antsy, especially if she doesn't have something to keep her occupied.
Teresa Monroe is Sabrina's mom. She had to travel from Richland to get her older daughter, Juliana's surgery at Sacred Heart Children's Hospital. They don't have family nearby to help keep Sabrina occupied, so mom and dad can be there for Juliana.
This has been a wonderful place for her to hang out because there's new toys for her to discover, and she's happy because she likes to play a lot.
The Clubhouse is located in the Children's Hospital, but it serves the entire medical center. Nettie Welshon was hired to open it. Not long after, budget cuts forced it to close.
There's kids wandering the medical center with really no place to go. I mean, obviously their parents are with them, but that takes them from their child who's sick or takes that husband away from his wife who needs her at the bedside.
It was closed for about a year when the Spokane Association of Realtors came to the rescue. The realtors have recruited title companies like Barbara's employer. Now more than 80 people volunteer, allowing the Clubhouse to open 4 days a week.
So for the volunteers, it's once a month, 3 hours at a time. But for the families that use this service, it really is a godsend.
It's like a weight's lifted off their shoulders because they can focus their attention on the task at hand.